Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived 5 friends named Ceren, Melis, Ali, Mustafa, and Cengiz. They were all curious and loved science, spending their days experimenting and discovering new things. One day, they stumbled upon a strange object in the woods. It was a small, silver sphere that glowed brightly. As they examined it, they realized that it was a device capable of transporting them to different worlds and times. Excited by this discovery, they decided to activate the device and explore the unknown. The sphere took them to a planet where the air was so thick they could barely breathe. Using their knowledge of science, they quickly invented a breathing apparatus and continued on their journey. Next, the sphere transported them to the past, where they met famous scientists like Isaac Newton and Galileo Galilei. They learned about the laws of physics and the wonders of the universe. As they journeyed further, they encountered a planet with 2 suns, where they witnessed the amazing phenomenon of a double sunset. They also visited a planet made entirely of ice, where they conducted experiments on how to survive in such extreme conditions. But their journey was not without its dangers. On one planet, they encountered a deadly virus that threatened to infect them all. Using their knowledge of biology and medicine, they worked together to create an antidote and save themselves from certain death. Finally, after months of traveling, they returned home, filled with new knowledge and experiences. They shared their stories with their families and friends, inspiring others to explore the world of science. From that day on, Ceren, Melis, Ali, Mustafa, and Cengiz continued to explore the unknown, using their passion for science to discover new worlds and unlock the secrets of the universe. And they lived happily ever after, always eager for their next adventure. As they continued their adventures, the 5 friends faced even more challenges and obstacles. One time, they landed on a planet where the inhabitants were in dire need of clean water. Using their knowledge of environmental science, they were able to create a device that could purify the water, and in doing so, they saved an entire community. Another time, they landed on a planet that was being threatened by a massive asteroid. They knew they had to act fast, so they used their knowledge of physics to create a device that could deflect the asteroid's path and save the planet from destruction. Their adventures even took them to a parallel universe, where they encountered their alternate selves. In this universe, their scientific knowledge had advanced far beyond what they knew, and they were able to learn new techniques and ideas that they could bring back to their own world. Despite all the challenges they faced, the 5 friends never gave up. They always worked together, using their unique skills and knowledge to solve any problem that came their way. Along the way, they continued to inspire others to pursue their own passions for science and exploration. In the end, the 5 friends became renowned throughout the universe as great scientists and explorers. Their adventures had led them to discover new worlds, make groundbreaking discoveries, and forge lifelong friendships. And so, Ceren, Melis, Ali, Mustafa, and Cengiz continued to explore the unknown, always eager for their next adventure and the discoveries that awaited them. Their legacy would live on for generations to come, inspiring countless others to pursue their own passions for science and discovery. As they grew older, the 5 friends remained as passionate about science as ever. They founded a research institute where they could continue to study the mysteries of the universe, and they also became mentors to young scientists who were just starting their own journeys. One day, they received a message from a distant planet that was in dire need of their help. The planet was facing a catastrophic event, and its inhabitants had no way of saving themselves. Without hesitation, Ceren, Melis, Ali, Mustafa, and Cengiz set out on their greatest adventure yet, determined to save the planet and all its inhabitants. Using all the knowledge and skills they had accumulated over the years, they worked tirelessly to create a solution. They collaborated with scientists from all over the galaxy, pooling their collective knowledge and expertise to develop a plan that could save the planet. In the end, their efforts paid off. They were able to save the planet, and the grateful inhabitants hailed them as heroes. The 5 friends returned to their own planet, exhausted but elated by their success. As they looked back on their lives, they realized that their journey had been more than just a series of scientific expeditions. It had been a lifelong adventure, filled with moments of joy and moments of struggle, but always fueled by their passion for science and their commitment to making a difference in the world. And so, Ceren, Melis, Ali, Mustafa, and Cengiz continued to inspire generations of scientists to come, encouraging them to push the boundaries of what was possible and to never stop exploring the unknown. For as long as they lived, their legacy would endure, a shining example of what could be achieved through hard work, dedication, and a love of science. And so, as the sun set on their final adventure, Ceren, Melis, Ali, Mustafa, and Cengiz gathered together to reflect on their incredible journey. They knew that their time was coming to an end, but they also knew that their legacy would live on. As they looked out at the stars, they realized that they had left a trail of light across the universe. They had inspired countless scientists to pursue their own dreams and had made a difference in the lives of millions of people. And so, they made a final vow to always be there, guiding and inspiring young scientists as they set out on their own journeys of discovery. They would be the light that would guide them through the darkness, the voice that would whisper encouragement in their ears. And with that, they set off into the night, their spirits soaring with the knowledge that they had left the universe a better place than they had found it. Their legacy would endure, a testament to the power of science and the enduring spirit of exploration. And so, dear reader, the tale of Ceren, Melis, Ali, Mustafa, and Cengiz comes to a close. But their story will live on, inspiring future generations to reach for the stars and unlock the secrets of the universe. For as long as there are dreamers and explorers, their legacy will endure, shining like a beacon across the endless expanse of space.